Yeah. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaivam narottama devim saraswatim vacham tatho jayamudiraye jitamte pundarikaksha namaste vishwabhavana namastestu hrishikesha mahapurusha purvaja sadaksharam brahma yaishwarah puman gunormi srishti sthithikala sallayah pradhana buddhyadi jagat prapanchasuhu sanostu vishnur matibhuti muktidaha वसति हृदि सनातने च तस्मिन् भवति पुमान् जगतोऽस्य सौम्यरूपः क्षितिरसमतिरम्यम् आत्मनोऽन्तः कथयति चारुतयैव शालपोतः यमनियमविधूतकल्मषाणाम् अनुदिनम् अच्युतसक्तमानसानाम् आपगतमदमानं मानमत्सराणां त्यजभटदूरतरेण मानवानां हृदि यदि भगवान् अनादिरास्ते हरिरासि शङ्ख गदाधरः अव्ययात्मा तदाघम् अघविघातकर्तृभिन्नं भवति कथं सति च अन्धकारम् अर्के. We are in the Yama Gita right now, and Yama Gita is a conversation between Yama and his kinkaras. So Yama Bhattas are all trying to take the life of someone here, and just like similar to Ajamila story in Bhagavatam, Yama is trying to Yama's Bhataha, that is his warriors, are all trying to remove the life of someone here, Pashena. But then Yama comes there and he advises, saying, you know, you have to let go of people who are not Harikirtanam ye kurvanti tantu tyaktva atra karyam kuru iti. He is advising here. But then the Bhata, that the warriors or the Dutas, the messengers, are curious about who is a bhakta, because they should not unnecessarily take someone else, right, and not leave someone else. A criminal is let go free in Ramadri. So to avoid that, you know, they want to know the bhakta lakshanam. So Yama is giving the lakshanam of all the bhaktas. He says, vasati hridi sanatane cha tasmin puman jagataha saumya rupaha bhavati. So when a person, it is automatic that when Bhagavan is residing in the mind of a person, his outer look is also very saumyam. It becomes very soft, and in a way, you immediately, you know, when you see some people, you smile because you find that they have a very lovely demeanor, right? That is saumya rupaha, or charisma. So you tyaja bhata duratarena manavanam. You let go of those people who are following yamaniyamena tatra. They have let go of their kalmasham, that is, they do not have any papam in their mind. And anudinam achyuta saktamanasanam, they are constantly thinking about Bhagavan, and they do not have any garva, manam, matsaram, jealousy, all of these 6 enemies of the mind. So, yadi Bhagavan hridi aste, if Bhagavan is present in the mind, then how can all of these, Shadripu exist at all? Just as how when Surya is there, when the sun is there, there is no possibility of the darkness to exist at all. In the same manner, when Hari is present in the mind, there is no possibility of any sort of impurities to be present in that particular mind. Harati, now he talks about the abhakta lakshanam. So, how to recognize who is not a bhakta. So, even though he may be outwardly seeming to be a bhakta, there are other qualities with which you can identify, saying that he is not a devotee. Harati paradhanam nihanti jantun vadati tatha anrita nishthurani yascha Ashubha janita durmadasya pumsaha kalushamate hridi tasya na asti anantaha. Tasya hridi anantaha na asti. In his mind, Ananta, Bhagavan does not, the endless entity or Paramapurusha, Vishnu does not reside in the minds of these people. Yasya pumsaha Ashubha janita durmadasya pumsaha kalushamatehe pumsaha hridi anantaha na vidyate. Tasya. So, yaha, now we go to the yat portion, which is the first section here. So, yaha cha paradhanam harati, one who steals others' money. Jantuna nihanti, yaha, one who kills other living beings. no matter what, whether it is a big, whether it is a cockroach or an animal or a human being. Jantuna nihanti, one who kills other living beings. Vadati anrita nishthurani tatha vadati. Tatha, in the same manner, if he also speaks anritam, lies, which are nishthura, which are also cruel, or either anritam cha nishturam cha yaha vadati. If he talks parusha vakyam, if he talks harsh words, or if he talks lies, if he utters a falsehood, then the tasya pumsaha iti. So yaha evam vadati tasya. He does all these things because he has a arrogance in his mind, which comes out of ashubha, which comes from performing papam constantly. See, when you keep on doing things in the expectation that you will not be caught, but definitely you will be caught at some point. Adu in physical life, palanal thirudan oru naal agappaduvaanamba. And madri, you do get caught in this world also, in this janma also, if you are not caught in this janma. And you have done so many papam, but then that goes and accumulates as a bank balance for your next janma. So ashubha, that becomes the ashubha, which gives rise to a durmada. See, I had done so many things, but still I was not caught. So which means you can get away with so many things. These people are all unnecessarily following dharma and suffering. Tatha tasya manasi madaha jayate. That durmadha is a wrong kind of arrogance that comes to the mind because of performing such bad activities. And kalusha matihi, his mind is also completely impure. Kalangina oru manadai kondavan. Tasya pumsaha hridi anantaha na vidyate. He cannot exist at all. But that is, Vishnu cannot exist in such a person's mind. Na sahati parasampadam vinindam kalushamatihi kurute satam asadhuhu na yajati na dadati yascha santam manasi na tasya janardanaha adhamasya. Tasya adhamasya manasi janardanaha na. In that lowly person's mind, Janardana, Vishnu does not reside. In whose mind? Yaha para sampadam na sahati, one who cannot tolerate the wealth of another person. That is, how is it that another person is having so much of wealth and I am not having, so he is so rich? That sort of a comparison comes into the mind of people, and so he is not able to tolerate the greatness or tolerate the excellence that another person has probably got in this janma. So, parasampadam na sahati. He does not tolerate the wealth of another person. Vinindam kalushamatihi sanna. His mind being confused here, or his mind being impure, what he does is satam kalushamatihi asadhuhu cha saha yaha, one whose mind is impure and who is also evil, asadhuhu. Satam vinindam kurute. He criticizes good people. That is another lakshanam of a non-devotee, abhakta. Na yajati na dadati yascha santam. So yahacha santam na yajati, santam na dadati. The santam goes with both. Satpurushaha. So Satpurusham na yajati. Here Sat Purushaha tu ekaha eva sa Vishnu. Because Vishnu is Yajno by Vishnu. And Yajno, Yajnapatir, Yajva, Yajnyango, Yajnavahanaha, Vishnu Sahasranamathal. So he is of the form of Yajna. He is of all the different parts that are associated with the yaga, the devata, and the phalam that arises from the yajna. So Bhagavan is Satpurusha, and he is the person who has to be pleased through a yaga. But if this person does not do such a yaga, santam na yajati chet, na dadati, santam purusham na dadati, sarvatrapi vishnuhu eva vartate iti manasi kritva, tatra satpurusham prati danam kartavyam. He has to give danam to a person who is a good person, or in general, do charity. Tadapi yaha na karoti, tasya manasi, tasya adhamasya manasi janardanaha na vidyate. So one who cannot tolerate other people's prosperity, his mind is impure and he is bad. At the same time, he also criticizes good people. One can remain bad without being neutral and quiet. But here he criticizes other good people also. One who does not perform yaga towards Vishnu and one who does not give charity to good people. Tasya adamasya manasi janardanaha narityate. Paramasuhridi bandhave kalatre suta tanaya pitru matru bhritya varge shathamatihi upayati yaha arthatrishnam tam adhama cheshtam avehi na asya bhaktam. Asya bhaktam na avehi kintu tam adhama cheshtam asya bhaktam na avehi. You can take it like this. Okay. So yaha, the person who arthatrishnam upayati, one who has a greed for money towards these people. Shathamatihi, he is cruel. He is also crooked. Shatha is crooked. Being crooked, he wants to exploit people for money. So, arthatrishnam upayati, he attains a great greed for money with respect to Paramasuhridi, with respect to a great friend. That is, a friend is there only to exploit him and get money. Bandhave arthatrishnam upayati. He gets a great desire for wealth towards, or in the bandhava vishaye saha trishnam karoti ityartaha. Bandhava vishaye ityutte, he is a relative, let him do it for me. Iti, you know, that or entitled attitude, that sort of a person he is talking about. He is my friend, so he has to give me money. He is my relative, so he has to give me money. So bandhave kalatre, wife, let her earn, let me get, enjoy in that money. Suta, tanaya, pitru, matru, bhritya, varge. Not only artha is not only money, but also being very miserly in certain cases. You know, not spending in the case of your child, suta, son, tanaya, daughter, pitrumatru, father and mother, bhritya varge, your servants. You're trying to count money constantly, then your mind becomes very crooked and artha vishaye eva tatra arthabaraha bhavamaha. Tatha na kartavyam ityeva. So, yaha arthatrishnam eteshu upayati, eteshu ityukte etesham vishaye. In the matters of a friend, relative, wife, son, daughter, father, mother and servants, a person who gets, or a person who feels the greed for money towards these people and who has also got a crooked mind, that is, he wants to exploit them, tam adhama cheshtitam, he will go to any extent to extract money from these people, extract wealth or some kind of a thing from these people. So, adhama cheshta vartate, adhama cheshta yasya saha. So, adhama cheshtam tam, a person who has a very lowly action, asya Vishnoho bhaktam na avehi. Think of him as not a devotee of Vishnu. Ashubhamatihi asat pravritti saktaha satatam anarya kushila sangamattaha vishala sangamattaha ityasti. This is a better reading here. Anudina krita papa bandha yuktaha Purusha Pashuhu Nahi Vasudeva Bhaktaha. He is like a Pashu. He is like an animal in the form of a Manushya Rupena Mrigascharanti. So Purusha Pashuhu. He is only an animal walking around in the guise of a man. Saha Vasudeva Bhaktaha Nahi. He cannot be a Vasudeva Bhakta. One who is Ashubha Matihi, one who does not have an auspicious mind. That is, he is too thinking only about bad things about others. Asat Pravritti Saktaha. His mind is bad and so his Vyavaharam is also bad. The pravritti is actions. One who is always saktaha, one who is involved in asat pravritti, bad actions. Satatam, always anarya kushila sangha mattaha. One who is mattaha, intoxicated because of the association with the people who have bad character and who are ignoble, who are not noble. Anarya kushila Sangha, one who do not have a large heart or those who are not noble minded, anarya, and kushila, one who doesn't have a good character, tesham sangena mattaha ayam. So he only associates with such people and he is very intoxicated by that association. Anudinam Anudina Krita Papa Bandha Yuktaha. Every day he keeps on making papam, and because of that papa, there is a bandham for him, there is a bondage for him, and he has that bondage. So Bandha Yuktaha Saha, he has a bondage which arises from the papam, sins that he performs every day. Anudina Krita Papena Bandhaha Yaha Vartate Tad Bandhena Yuktaha Eshaha iti. So tadrisha pashu rupena yaha purushaha chalati sahatu vasudeva bhaktaha kadapi na bhavitum arhati. Sakalam idam aham cha vasudevaha paramapuman parameshwaraha sa ekaha iti matihi achala bhavati anante hridayagate vrajatan vihaya duram. So I have given you the lakshanam for both bhakta and abhakta. Now the bhakta lakshanam, again you have to look carefully at a person whose mind is thinking in this format, and you should avoid that person. Yaha, so sakalam idam aham cha, everything that I see in front of me and myself, there is only one person here, which is Vasudeva. Iti yasya matihi bhavati. One who thinks of everything and himself as Vasudevaha Paramapuman, Paramapurushaha, Parameshwaraha. He is the controller of everything and he is the final ultimate Purusha. And Saha Ekaha Eva, he is only one in this world. There are not many Vishnus here. Iti Anante Achala Matihi Bhavati Hridgate Anante. Iti Hridgate Anante. Dhruva was doing tapas in that manner. He had Vishnu in his mind and he was only thinking about Vishnu in his mind. So Hridayagate Anante, in Vishnu who is already in the mind, Yadi Evam Achala Matihi Vartate, if the mind is unwavering in this manner, Tan Vihaya Durat Vraja, you avoid them and go afar. Don't come nearby. He Kamalanayana Vasudeva Vishnu Dharanidhara Achyuta Shankhchakrapane Bhavasharanam Iti Irayanti Evai Tyajabhata Duratarena Tan Apapan. Again, those who are doing Nama Sankirtanam in this manner, mind is one thing. Next is, what are they saying outside? They are only talking about the Nama of Vishnu. All the different names of Vishnu here. Kamalanayana, one who has eyes which are like lotus. Vasudeva, one who resides in everybody as the Antaryami. Vishnu, one who envelops the entire world. Vyapanat Vishnu. Dharani Dhara, one who holds this entire Brahmandam on his head as Sankarshana or Shesha. Achyuta, one who does not move away or one who has no transformation, is ever in the same manner. We go and visit a city after 5 years, we won't even know what is there because everything has changed so much. The only unchanging personality is Bhagavan inside. Even temples, there are so many things that keep happening, but you can't do anything to the Lord inside, right? So he is the same here. That is Achyuta, one who has not slipped away from his form. Shankha Chakra Pane, one who has Shankha and Chakram in his hand. Bhava Sharanam. He Sharanam Bhava. Okay. This one I need to think about it. Bhavana and Shivanda Nyamavardhe. But Bhava can also mean Tvam Bhava iti tatha nasti prayaha. Tvameva mama sharanam bhava ityapi vaktum shakyate. So I'll just 1 minute. Let me just look at it. Okay. Tvam mama sharanam bhava. You are my refuge, or you have to be my refuge. Iti ye irayanti. Those who speak out in this manner, Nama Sankirtanam yaha kuruvanti sharanam cha ye gachanti evam tan apapan. Know that they have not done any sin, and he bhata duratarena tyaja. You have to let go of them from far away. Vasati manasi yasya saha avyayatma पुरुषवरस्य न तस्य दृष्टिपाते तव गतिः अथवा मम अस्ति चक्रप्रतिहतवीर्यबलस्य सो अन्यलोक्यः. The अन्वय in this is a little tough. So यस्य पुरुषवरस्य मनसि saha avyayatma vasati. This part is clear, very easy. So yasya purushavarasya manasi, in which great person's mind saha avyayatma vasati. Avyayatma Bhagavan, one who is partless, that is his atma cannot decay at all. Tadrisha atmaswarupatvena yaha vasati yasya hridaye tasya drishtipate, in that person's eyesight, in that person's range of sight, tava mama va gatihi na gatihi na in the na inge irukku na tasya drishtipate tava gatihi athava mama gatihi asti. In his range of perception, neither you nor my gatihi, my போக்குங்கறோம் இல்லையா, என்னுடைய போக்கோ உன்னுடைய போக்கோ அவனுடைய கண் பார்வையிலேயே படக்கூடாது அப்படிங்கற. So neither I nor you should fall in his range of perception, because he is a person. Tasya ityasya, this is the adjective for this tasya, because he is a person whose path is always protected by Sudarshana Chakra. So Chakra pratihata virya balasya tasya, any sort of akramanam that is bhagavataha chakrasya karanat, illa I think this is an adjective to mama and tava appadi varanum apatila, correct. So tasya drishtipate, adu correct ah irukku. So yasya manasi saha bhagavan vartate, in whomever mind bhagavan resides, tasya drishtipate, in his range, tava mama cha gatihi na vidyate, we cannot even come in his path at all, because our virya and balam is pratihatam, it will be obstructed by Vishnu's Sudarshana Chakra. So Chakra pratihata virya balasya tava Chakra pratihata virya balasya mama cha gatihi tasya bhaktasya drishtipate na bhavati. Yataha, the reason being, saha anyalokyaha, he belongs to another loka, he does not belong to our lokam. Anyalokaha lokyaha, loke bhavaha lokyaha, one who belongs to Vaikuntham or some other lokam, whatever he wishes for. He does not belong to Narakam at all. Yeah. Vasati manasi yasya so avyayatma purushavarasya na tasya drishtipate tavagatir athava mamasti chakra pratihata virya balasya saha anyalokyaha. Kalinga uvacha. So the conversation tree here is Yama and Yamaduta are talking. This conversation was reported to, this conversation was viewed by a Jatismara Muni. That Jatismara Muni told this Kalinga Desha Brahmana. This Kalinga Desha Brahmana was a friend of Bhishma, and he told Bhishma about this. Why did this entire thing come? Because Nakula asked Bhishma about the Vyavaharam of Yamalokam. Is that clear? That is where we are. Now we still have not gone back to Parashara and Maitreya, because Maitreya asked the same question that Nakula asked Bhishma. Hence Parashara quoted this entire story. Adnalda Kalinga uvacha, Kalinga deshe bhavaha dvijaha Kalingaha. Kalinga uvacha athava Kalingaha uvacha, both are fine. Iti nija bhata shasanaya devaha ravitanayas sakilahar dharmarajaha mama kathitam idam cha tena tubhyam kuruvara samyagidam mayapi chot uktam. Iti, in this manner, devaha Ravitanayaha Dharmarajaha Saha Kila, that Dharmaraja, who is the son of Ravi, Surya, he Nija Bhata Shasanaya, in order to advise his messengers, his warriors, Kathitam Idam, this was spoken, this Bhakta and Abhakta Lakshanam was given by Yama to his messenger. in order to tell him about, they advise him on the lakshanams of bhakta and abhakta. Yat devaha maharaja aha, patyala. This is in Prathama Vibhakti and this Kathitam is in Karmani Prayoga Nyoscha. Dharmarajaha aha, that which Yama spoke, idam tena mama kathitam. Tena Jatismarena Munina mama kathitam. That Jatismara Muni told me what Dharmaraja told his warrior. Tubhyam samyak idam Mayacha uktam he kuruvara. He kuruvara Bhishma, tubhyam, to you, I have conveyed this entire episode properly. Samyak idam mayacha uktam. Words are all easy. Tena, tubhyam, samyak idam, ella words are simple. But then to put it in a proper sense, to say who is which Sarvanama Shabda, angada and the trick irukku. Shri Bhishma Uvacha Nakula etan mama akhyatam purvam tena dvijanmana Kalinga desha adabhyetya pritena sumahatmana. So now Bhishma is informing Nakula. He Nakula, etat mama purvam tena dvija atmana Kalinga deshat abhyetya, having come from the Kalinga desha, Pritena Sumahatmana, one who was very pleased and who was a great person, Tadrisha Tena Dvijanmana, by that Brahmana, Mama Purvam Yat Akhyatam Etat. This was entirely told to me by him before. Maya api, I too, Etad Yathanyayam Samyagvatsa Tava Uditam. I too have spoken to you as as I have heard. No addition, subtraction la illada. I have only given you as is. That's all. Yatha Vishnum Rite na Anyat Tranam Samsara Sagare. That is the crux of this entire story is Yamagita is that Vishnum Rite, with other than Vishnu, there is no other protection for anybody in this Samsara Sagara, in this ocean of Samsara. That is the crux of the story. Kinkaraha Pashadandascha Na Yamaha Nacha Yatanaha Samarthaha Tasya Yasya Atma Keshava Alambanaha Sada. Yasya Atma, if a person's mind is Keshava Alambanaha, a person's mind who has Alambana, whose support is only Keshava. Keshava Alambanaha Sada. If he is always holding on to Keshava, Tasya Kinkaraha na samarthaha. The connection here is take this na here. Na samarthaha. So Kinkaraha, Yamasya Kinkaraha, the servants of Yama, Pasha Dandaha, those who have Pasha and Danda in their hand, they are not at all samarthaha. They are not capable at all in the case of this bhakta. Na yamaha samarthaha bhavati, na cha yatanaha samarthaha bhavanti. So for this person who has Keshava in his mind, who has Keshava as his support, in that case, Yama is not at all capable, nor are the worlds. Even if he goes to a Papam world, still it is not. See, there are certain cases where Papatta anubhavichahanu. You have to experience that sin to get it to a zero balance. But the mind will not suffer. It is only the body that will suffer because it has to go through that motion. Whereas to reduce that sins, right? But the mind will always be that mind is not going to suffer at all. It will be in that revel in that happiness. So that is why nacha yatanaha samarthaha na bhavanti iti cheta tatra yadyapi vayam yatanam prati nayamaha. Even if we take them to that yatana, it is not going to be of any use because their mind is not going to be involved in that suffering. Kinkara Pashadandascha Nayamo Nachayatanaha Samarthaha Tasya Yasya Atma Keshavalambana Sada. Shri Parashara Uvacha Etan Mune Samakyatam Geetam Vaivasvatena Yat Tvat Prashna Anugatam Samyak Kimanyat Shrotum Ichhasi. So this is what has been said by Vaivasvatena Geetam. Vaivasvata here This is one interesting word, because Vivaswataha Putraha Vaivaswataha. So it is Yama. Yatana actually, okay, Yatanangardu is Naraka, the different worlds in Narakam. We saw this earlier in one of in the Patalam description and the Narakam description. Inge pathoma illana Bhagavatam illa inge dhaan paathom. Yes, Yatanaha is the world, the different kinds of narakas that are present, that to which people are taken to. Yatanaha, the goal, madri. If you have done papam, these are the worlds that you have to go to. So Yatana is the world itself, Naraka world. Idukku Swargathukku Yatanaha solla maatom. You only use the word Yatana for Narakam. Etan mune samakyatam geetam vaivasvatena yat. So Viraswataha putraha vaivasvataha Yamaha. So Yama is Vaivasvataha. There is also a Manu who is Vaivasvata Manu. Vaivasvata Manvantare irkalya. So on the madri. So Vaivasvatena yat geetam samakyatam, the Yama Gita that was told by Yama to his warriors or his messengers. Tvat prashna anugatam samyak. That goes very clearly with the question that you asked. So kim anyat shrotum ichchasi. So what else are you do you want to ask me? Iti Parasharaha uktavan. So the question here is that he started off in the beginning of the sarga, just to remind Adedana abdinne. Sarvecha ete vasham yanti yamasya bhagavan kila ayushaha ante tatha yanti yatanaha tat prachoditaha. This is the fifth shloka in this adhyaya. So being controlled by Yama, they go to different worlds in Narakam, different levels of Narakam. Yatanabhyaha paribrashtaha devadhyaha yonishu jantavaha parivartante shastranam esha nirnayaha. This is what Shastram says, that from the Yatana they again come to different kinds of births, and then they again are in the control of Yama, and they go back to all these Naraka worlds that Yama takes them to. So soham ichchami shrotum yamasya vashavartinaha naraha yena tat karma kathaya amalam na bhavanti. How you tell me how a man cannot be under the control of Yama? That was the question that Maitreya asked. So Parashara told him that this is the same question that Nakula had asked Bhishma, and the answer was given in the format of the discussion between Yama and Yamaduta. Yeah. So Shri Parashara Uvacha etan mune samakyatam geetam vaivasvatena yat tvat prashna anugatam samyak kim anyat shrotum ichchasi. What else do you want to know? Iti Shri Vishnu Purane Tritiyamshe Saptamodhyayaha. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayam udirayet.